Good afternoon, distinguished representatives of Adidas India, esteemed office bearers of the Mizoram Football Association, our talented players, respected guests, members of the media, and my dear football lovers. It is a great pleasure to be with you this afternoon for the Adidas, the home of football event. This is a special occasion that brings together some of Mizoram's finest footballers playing in the Indian Super League and the Indian Football League. I congratulate the Mizoram Football Association for organizing this exciting event. I also extend my sincere appreciation to Adidas India for making it possible. Adidas has been a long-standing partner in the growth of Indian sport, not only by equipping our national athletes and teams, but also by investing in grassroots football, youth development, and community sports initiatives across the country. We are delighted to welcome such a globally respected sporting brand to Mizoram, a state renowned for its passion and talent in football. I am particularly happy and delighted that Adidas has chosen Mizoram over many bigger states and cities in India to organize this prestigious event here. This reflects the growing recognition of Mizoram as one of India's true footballing heartlands. The timing of this match could not be more fitting as the FIFA World Cup captivates billions of people across the globe. We are reminded why it is widely regarded as the greatest show on earth, a global festival that unites nations, cultures, and generations through the beautiful game. Here in Mizoram, where football is followed with unmatched passion, we have the privilege of witnessing our own football heroes return home to play before their people. For our young people, today is an opportunity to see that dreams can become reality. Many of the players on this field began their journey on the same local grounds where today's children play. Their success sends a powerful message that talent, discipline, and hard work can take them to the highest level of the game. Our professional footballers are also making meaningful contributions beyond the football pitch. As they pursue successful careers across the country, they bring honor to Mizoram while also contributing to our state's economy by supporting their families and communities back home. Their achievements demonstrate how sports can create livelihoods, generate economic opportunities, and become a powerful instrument for the development of our society. The government of Mizoram remains fully committed to strengthening football development at every level. For the first time in the history of Mizoram, two football clubs from our state, Aizawl FC and Chanmari FC, have each been provided financial assistance of Rs 25 lakh towards their participation in the Indian Football League for the 2025-2026 season under the Banakai handholding scheme. Work is going for the development of international standard-sized football grounds with artificial turf at Champhai and Tenjol. Tenders have been floated for the development of football grounds at East Lungdar and Joint Wemefield Vivacon. Funds have been allocated for the laying artificial turf at Brigade Ground, Bongkon. In addition, Rs 5 crore has been allocated under the SASKI for installation of floodlights at Si Thuamhnaw Lunglei. These initiatives reaffirm our commitment to developing world-class football infrastructures across Mizoram. Our state has emerged as the premier cradle of football talent in India, boasting the highest concentration of professional football players in the country. Finally, I extend my heartfelt best wishes to Adidas for continued prosperity and success. I wish every participant the very best and let the game begin. Thank you.
Vậy nó hùn, anh thấy anh mình hùa cái biết official tên anh rồi, lắng nghe con dia hùn. Team IFL làm cái hian, SC ba rồi mà cái Indian Football League player làm cái anh thấy à. Team IFL player si Malaysia punya Aizawl si laluan di kacamata si laluan di Mizoram si roaming tengah Aizawl si Efrain laluan tuang age laluan punya jual laluan ku macam siapa orang pangsawa laluan boya Brandon laluan di kaki Malaysia suara Aaron laluan sana Vincent Lalduhoma Jacob laluan di punya semua sang laluan sang ati ania Kali mereka suai tu ni puas le, pusuaya, pumoy puya le pubi zetake ani. Kalau nak hun kan ni lok dona cuma suakan mereka official tu kita akan bantuan ya. Yang Mizo dia pun yang sekarang kita lok dona oh nanti nak kali lain apa?